A frequent question from our clients is, how do contingency fees work? We do almost all of our work on a contingency fee basis. That means the fee is a percentage of the amount we recover for the client. Depending on the kind of case, contingency fees can range from 25% to 40%. Also, depending on the kind of case, certain amounts recovered are not subject to the contingency fee. There's an infinite variety of ways to structure a contingency fee. I will talk more about that later. Contingency fees have a significant advantage over hourly fees. If you hire a lawyer on an hourly basis, typically he's going to require an upfront payment and then bill monthly. He will expect to get paid monthly. If the client stops paying, then the attorney will stop working and move to terminate the relationship. Most insurance companies pay their lawyers either on an hourly basis or sometimes on a flat fee basis. In the contingency fee case, the lawyer gets a part of the recovery. Said another way, the lawyer doesn't get paid unless the client gets paid. Oftentimes our cases run on for years, and most of our clients can't afford to pay attorneys on an hourly basis for years. Our clients prefer contingency fees because it is the best way financially for them to hire a lawyer to protect their interest. Another advantage of a contingency fee is the motivation factor. Financially, the client and the attorney have a mutual interest in the recovery. In an hourly fee case, the lawyer is getting paid regardless of the outcome of the case. The lawyers are professional and will do their best, but a financial incentive is always helpful. Our firm can be flexible on contingency fees. For example, on large cases where we know there's a certain recovery, we can adjust the contingency fee to either a reduced percentage or, for example, on a large case, no fee on the first $100,000 recovered. This always depends on the size of the case and the complexity of the case, likelihood of recovery, and the severity of the injuries. We believe in an open and frank conversation about fees. Our goal is to add value so that hiring a lawyer improves the value of the case even after the fee is paid. We generally set our fees in a personal injury case at 33% if the case settles without filing suit, and 37% if we do file suit. Fees in workers' compensation cases are a percentage of the recovery. I think it's good for the attorney and client to discuss the amount of work that goes into each case. There's also value in the ability of a law firm like ours to file the lawsuit and prosecute the case all the way through jury verdict. I firmly believe the ability to file the suit and try the case adds value to any settlement. It's also important for the client to remember that in the contingency fee situation, the attorney is bearing the risk by working for years without pay. If the case does not work out as expected, the lawyer has worked for free. No one wants a result like that, but the percentage earned in the contingency fee also reflects who bears the risk. Please contact our law firm to discuss your personal injury case. We look forward to having a full and frank conversation about attorney's fees.